Make sure these are stacked tightly on the belt.
All right, I'm getting the next batch from the truck now.
Inside a modern coconut processing line. How premium coconut milk is made. The full process.
Inside the modern processing line, a rotating husking machine aggressively strips the outer fibers.
The coconuts are fed into the heavy-duty deshelling machine, where powerful serrated blades precisely remove the fibrous husk.
Inside this modern processing line, robotic arms meticulously place the deshelled coconuts onto the belts.
In this high-speed shot, the automated machinery removes the thin outer layer, a crucial step in creating our premium coconut milk.
Inside a modern coconut processing line, how premium coconut milk is made prey-free.
Inside a modern coconut processing line, how premium coconut milk is made.
To make premium coconut milk, the coconut slurry is produced inside these high-speed rotary grinders, creating that creamy texture.
The coconut slurry is rapidly pumped through these food-grade pipelines towards the extraction units, where massive
The premium coconut milk flows in slow motion, highlighting the rich texture before being stored in these sterile tanks.
The multi-stage filtration system removes tiny particles, resulting in this ultra-smooth coconut milk.
The sealed bottles move quickly to the high-speed labeling machine.
The applicator arm wraps the branded labels around each. Once sealed, the premium coconut milk boxes rapidly move along the conveyor system, ready for distribution.
It's been assessed. The premium coconut milk is carefully packed and stored in our state-of-the-art, temperature-controlled warehouse.
Welcome inside our modern coconut processing line. We start by deshelling the fresh coconuts, then use a cold press for the richest milk.
Once processed and packaged, the premium coconut milk is carefully loaded onto our fleet of trucks for distribution. Inside a modern coconut processing line, how premium coconut milk is made. From the highway to the modern processing line, we're taking you through the full process of how our premium coconut milk is made.
Workers use pallet jacks to move boxes. Inside a modern coconut processing line, we see how premium coconut milk is made.
Okay, bring that pallet right here.
Watch the clearance on the left side.
Looks good, secure it.
Once the premium coconut milk is processed and packaged, it is carefully transported to the retail shelves, ready for distribution.
In our state-of-the-art facility, The freshly shredded coconuts are cold pressed, extracting the rich, creamy milk.
Inside a modern coconut processing line. This is how premium coconut milk is made.
Once filled, each bottle is scanned and cataloged on the automated line, ensuring premium quality control before shipment.
Inside a modern coconut processing line, see how premium coconut milk is made.
Inside a modern coconut processing line, how premium coconut milk is made.
We start by carefully introducing the premium coconut milk bottles onto the conveyor system, ensuring quality from the very beginning.
This ensures the milk remains pristine as we pour a sample for final quality checks.
Inside this modern coconut processing line, we see how premium coconut milk is made.
Join us inside the modern coconut processing line to see how our premium coconut milk is made.
Inside a modern coconut processing line, we show you how premium coconut milk is made, ensuring the highest quality from the start.
And this is the result. Perfectly creamy, fresh coconut milk straight from the line.
Made right here on the line. You can taste the quality. It's incredibly fresh and creamy.
Inside this modern processing line, the premium coconut milk is carefully monitored to ensure its rich, creamy texture before final packaging.
Inside a modern coconut processing line, how premium coconut milk is made. Full process.
Our premium coconut milk begins with the freshest coconuts, which are then cold pressed and refined in these state-of-the-art stainless steel vats.
Sourced from the finest coconuts, our premium milk is carefully processed, resulting in this rich, velvety texture.
Inside a modern coconut processing line, how premium coconut milk is made. Full process. Quality control is crucial to ensure every bottle meets our premium standards before leaving the facility.
Inside a modern coconut processing line, we see how premium coconut milk is made.
Inside a modern coconut processing line, how premium coconut milk is made. Full process.
Welcome to our modern coconut processing line. Today we explore how premium coconut milk is made.
As part of the full process here in our modern facility, we ensure the premium coconut milk reaches peak creaminess through careful blending.
Here in the processing line, the freshly extracted coconut milk is carefully poured, highlighting its premium, creamy texture before packaging.
Welcome inside our modern coconut processing line, where we'll show you how premium coconut milk is made from start to finish.
Our premium coconut milk is crafted on this modern processing line, ensuring that velvety, smooth texture as it blends perfectly with the coffee.
The culmination of a careful process, delivering the freshest coconut milk directly to your table.
The full-fat coconut milk is slowly poured, showcasing the smooth, rich texture achieved in our modern processing line. Our modern processing line begins with these fresh, hand-selected ingredients, ensuring every bottle of our
Here in our state-of-the-art facility, we transform the freshest coconuts into the premium milk you see here, ready for your breakfast table.
The final step, ensuring the perfect balance of flavor and consistency.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures every drop of our premium coconut milk meets the highest standards. Inside a modern coconut processing line, how premium coconut milk is made, full process.
Inside this modern coconut processing line, we see how premium coconut milk is made, starting with the freshest coconuts.
The premium milk is carefully whisked to achieve the perfect consistency before moving to the next stage.
The fresh milk is poured into a measuring cup to ensure quality control before moving to the next stage.
Inside a modern coconut processing line, we select only the ripest coconuts to produce this rich, creamy milk.
Inside a modern coconut processing line. This is how premium coconut milk is made.
This is the heart of the operation, where the freshly extracted coconut milk begins its journey, showcasing its rich, velvety texture. Welcome inside our modern coconut processing line. We're about to show you how this premium coconut milk is made from start to finish.
Inside this modern coconut processing line, we'll show you how premium coconut milk is made through the full process.
Inside our modern coconut processing line, we ensure every bottle is perfectly sealed, preserving the creamy liquid inside.
From the grove to this bottle, we oversee the entire process, ensuring only the freshest coconuts are used.
Inside our modern processing line, the premium coconut milk is carefully blended, resulting in this mesmerizing cascade of creamy swirls.
From the moment the coconuts arrive, our process guarantees the highest quality milk for your breakfast.
Inside this modern processing line, we ensure only the purest, creamiest coconut milk makes it to the bowl.
Inside a modern coconut processing line. This is how premium coconut milk is made, the full process.
Our premium coconut milk is crafted in a state-of-the-art facility, ensuring perfect texture and freshness in every drop.
Inside our modern processing line, the premium coconut milk flows smoothly, captured here in slow motion for quality inspection.
Inside this modern coconut processing line, we see how premium coconut milk is made.
Welcome to the modern coconut processing line. Here we see how premium coconut milk is made, starting with the freshest tropical fruits.
The result is a smooth, creamy texture, capturing the pure essence of the coconut.
As the bottles move quickly down the line, we get a close look at the label, ensuring that all the key nutritional information is clearly visible.
The milk is vigorously whisked, creating the smooth, velvety texture essential for our premium product. To make premium coconut milk, we start with the freshest coconuts. Our modern processing line ensures the highest quality from grove to bottle. Inside our modern facility, we ensure only the freshest, premium coconut milk makes it from the line into your glass.
Welcome inside the modern coconut processing line. We begin with the freshest coconuts to ensure that premium taste you see here.
This is absolutely delicious. You can really taste the freshness.
Here's one of the first bottles from the new line.
Thank you. The aroma is already incredible.
Inside a modern coconut processing line, how premium coconut milk is made.